Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say frog, a frog, as in the animal in French, and I guess some people call French people frogs too, so it might be applicable as well. Anyhow, we'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French vocabulary too, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you pronounce this word? Grenouille. Grenouille. I know the spelling can be a little bit confusing, so let's walk you through. Gre, G-R-E, gre. No accent on the E there, so just a sound, the sound of the letter E in French, gre. Then you have to separate the N-O-U, which comes down to the sound OU. You probably know that OU in French is OU, like a double O, nous. And then I-double-L sounds like the letter Y, so replace the I-double-L by a Y, and that'll make more sense. Grenouille. Grenouille. Grenouille is how you say frog in French, and now you know. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.